Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make meatloaf, and these are all the ingredients. This is lean ground beef. I will take only 2 pounds of this. I have this diced tomato, Worcestershire sauce, 1 egg, onion, dry oatmeal, and ketchup, salt and pepper. I'm just guesstimating this will be 2 pounds of ground beef. Set this aside for now. I will add in a bowl here. I have 1 egg. Beat this. And then 1 cup of dry oatmeal, half a cup of ketchup, half a cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, one-third cup of brown sugar, and half a can of these diced tomatoes. This is 796 ml. Just gonna add about half. Mix this all up. I almost forgot this 1 tablespoon of prepared mustard. That's about it. Uh, 2 teaspoons of salt. One, two, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix this all up. And pan. Put it in a ground beef. And mix it all up. Before I put this in a loaf pan, I have to turn the oven for 350 degrees. It's too full. I will put this in a different loaf pan or put in get another one. Put some of this here. Okay, put this in a oven for 1 hour and a half. And see you later. Hi guys. My meatloaf is ready. I'm just gonna put some cheese on top. This is mixed cheddar cheese and parmesan. Hi guys, these are my meatloaf and it's ready and the cheese is melting and we're gonna have supper. Thank you very much for watching my video. You have a nice day. Bye-bye.